Hopefully you're doing good. Today we're going to go over how to draw a buff Mr. Wolf from the Bad Guys. The Bad Guys is this cool movie. Check it out. Really cool animated movie. But this is a request, so decided to do it. That's pretty much it. It's going to be very easy and step by step, so stay all the way to the very end. It is relatively short video, maybe like 5 minutes. So let's do it. Okay, so let's get started with this Mr. Wolf buff version. Alright, let's get started. Okay, I'm going to go over here and pull a line here for the top of the snout. I'm going to go here on this side, curve down in the front. Alright, pull back up here. And then curve around here. Right now I'm going to curve around the front of this side for the front of his mouth. And then pull up kind of to that middle of that mouth that the wolves have, right? Line down this side of there. Now I'm going to go over here on this side and I'm going to do this kind of curve thing going on here for the mouth. Alright. Right on. And I'm going to go over here and draw a line up for one the front of his eye. Line down over here for the top of his eye. Line closed in there for the rest. I'm going to go over here and pull up. Out over here. And curve over here for the other eye. Excuse me, guys. I'm still a little bit sick. It's crazy I got sick again. Alright, I'm gonna go over here. Line over here at the, for the eyebrow, and over here for the eyebrows. He's like thick eyebrows in some versions I've seen. Over here, I'm gonna draw a dot and a dot. Alright. Draw a line down here. And I'm going to curve around here. I'm going to go back to the front of that smile. Over here, zigzag for his teeth. Excuse me. Line out, down. Curve underneath. Or not a curve, I'm sorry, that's a straight for underneath the mouth. Over here on this side, I'm gonna pull down over here on the side. And now I'm gonna draw this zigzag. You're gonna see for the hair on the side right there. It's gonna come up to a point. It's gonna curve back in, curve back in. Alright. Over here on the other side of his mouth, or other side of his head, so for the far end, but you're not going to see it, right, because it's behind there. Over here on this side. Line up. Down. Curve. For one ear. Gonna go to the top of the head here. And I'm gonna go zigzag there for the top of the head. And I'm gonna go up here for the brow. And I'm gonna pull back right there. Gonna go here on this side. Out. Curve down for that side of the ear. And I'm gonna draw a line here. And a zigzag line for the hair on the inside of the ear. Gonna have a curved line here, line down, and then zigzag there for the hair in the ear. You draw like a line outside as well. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna curve, curve for the highlight of the nose, and I'm gonna fill this in. Alright. Now, what I'm gonna do as far as for kind of Mr. Wolf, I'm gonna draw the body now. I'm gonna go down, line here, line neck down, line out. So I'm gonna go over here on this side first, down here, pull out, and then curve for the shoulder. Over here on this side, curve right here. Over here on this side, down, curve underneath, pull up, kind of the chest area, down over here, curve, curve over here, curve over here. Over here on this one, I'm gonna go over here for the rib cage, and I'm gonna pull down, curve in, down. Over here, right here, curve on this side, curve on this side. Okay. Go over here, and I'm going to draw like a muscle there. Over here on this side, tricep, down. Going over here for the other side of the rib cage, you're gonna pull downward. Cool, cool. Down here, I don't know if he's wearing like pants or something like that. Down there. Over here for the rest of the forearm, down. Let's get a vignette. Elbow, down. Over here on this side, curve. Go to that tricep, straight down. Elbow, down over here, forearm, over here. Curve. Let's go to the ab wall, straight line down. Line across, line across. And serratus muscles here. Curve, curve, curve. And there you go. That is Mr. Wolf from, that was a weird request, but yeah, there you go. Let me see, where else could I, yeah, okay, that works. Alright, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here, on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and it I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now, another short video.